here's how you can sell Printful products on TikTok. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sell Printful products and TikTok print on demand. So yeah, so make sure you watch this video till the end and learn how you can sell Printful products on TikTok. So let's just get into it. First of all, we have to make our Printful account. So press on sign up and choose any platform. I'm just gonna go for Google. Use this Gmail and we're in. So as you can see, I'm just gonna use this name and agree because this account is only for tutorial. Sell online, and here you have to describe what agency you got. So basically, we got agency, artist, established business or organization, global, public figure. So if you're any one of these, just select. I'm just gonna go for agency. And what's the total amount of revenue of your business? Press 0 because you haven't made any money. What kind of products are you interested in selling? So you don't know yet because you have to design. So let's just go. Or if you got planned, you could have just selected all these. But there we have our dashboard. So in the first steps is telling us to design our product, connect your store, upload products, and set up billing. So before doing anything, you just have to go to TikTok Shop Seller Center. And here you have to make your TikTok seller accounts because you have to sell all the products on TikTok. So select any of these regions that you are in. We got Asia seller, Europe seller, North America seller. So if you're from any of these regions, just select it. So you got United States for North America, Europe for United Kingdom. And in here you get other just like Singapore, Philippines, Vietnam, Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Global Selling Center. Let's go for global selling seller and press enter. Now it's just gonna take a while, and here we are. As you can see, you can log in with your phone number or your password, but you don't. If you ain't have your login, you can just press sign up. In sign up, as you can see, it will ask for your phone number. So in phone number, you got if you like your seller or anyone is from China or out of Hong Kong, you can just put in your number. And if you're from there, it's basically easy for you. After that, you have to put in your email address, then your email verification code, and your mobile phone verification code, then your password. After doing every single step, you're good to go. You have made your TikTok seller account, and you can just put in that. So once you have made your TikTok seller account, you have to come back to Printful. So here we are on Printful, and we have to set up our Printful first. So we got design your product. Let's press on start. And as you can see, we have to design our product, press on create product. And as you can see, we got many stuff over here, just like men's clothing, women's clothing, kids and youth clothing, accessories, home living, hats, clothes, brands. Let's go for accessories. And you can make you got options over here. So I see a lot of people buying shoes and phone cases mostly. Let's go for phone case. So in phone cases, as you can see, there are a lot of phone cases. Let us go for tough cases or maybe even snap cases. Let's go for tough cases. And as you can see, you can put in your design, and it has all the different modules. So how do you drop your design? So you have to download. Let's just download a Spider-Man design for mobile. All right, we got this. So you got many inspirations over here. Just gonna put in this. All right, and download this. This kind of looks fire. Let's save this, and let's just go over here and upload new file, download. There we go. You see, now we're just gonna press apply, and there we go. As you can see, we can put it like however we want, and we can edit it like how we want it. and it's showing for like our other products and stuff too. So there we go. We've set this up. Let's see to templates. Just basically make our own product. There you go. And you can put in text, clip art, design, and premium. So let's say you made your product. All right. So you have to connect your store. After that, you just gotta go to connect your store, and you get this, but you have to go to choose platform. And as you can see, you got too many options over here, but you have to connect to TikTok shop. Just press on connect, and as you can see, it will tell you all this stuff on how you can connect it. But if you're not sure, but just authorize this, and you're basically good to go, and you can link it from your TikTok too. But yeah, as you can see, you have to so first of all, you have to register your account. Log in with your existing TikTok account, register, and it's only for US and UK people using phone number or address. So, but after that, doing all this, you have to set up your warehouse. Before adding products, you need to set up your warehouse in TikTok Shop dashboard under My Account Select. And once you have like your TikTok, so we just go and right over here, as you can see, warehouse. You have to set it up, and like once you have connected, it will give you the warehouse option. But yeah, once you've done that, your account will be connected, and after that, you have to upload products to the store. So how do you upload products? So you basically, once you have made your stuff and you connected your account to TikTok or any other platform, but this video is basically for TikTok. Once you've connected it, it will just basically you have to add product. And as you can see, I'm not an US or UK person, but if you are, you can just connect it. And as you can see, once I go to the website, it will ask for North America seller, and it will do this. But yeah, once you have connected your account, you just need to make sure that you upload products to the store. Once you have uploaded the products to the store, and the final and the last step is you have to set up billing. So setting up billing is very easy. You just have to it's just like a Shopify thing, but Printful will make it for you. But it will ask for like a credit card and select what type of credit card they want to use or whatever. But yeah, once you have done that, you're basically good to go, and you can basically sell stuff on TikTok from Printful Seller Demand. So once you have done all this, you have to go to Zappier. This is the final step. So Zappier process is basically the if you're 100%, just confirming 110 to make sure not your work falls off. So as you can see, it's basically integration, and you can integrate TikTok with Perle. This is right, TikTok Perle, and generate. So it's generating, as you can see. Sync TikTok videos with your Printful order. Try it. And as you can see, it's showing YouTube. I don't know why, but it will basically show you TikTok for you. And once you've done that, just sign in for your Printful too, and you're good to go. You can just get to your integration, and you're good to go. And you're basically done, and you can do your seller on demand. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can sell Printful products on TikTok. So yeah, I hope I helped you guys out, and peace out.